Hi there, today I'm going to share an unboxing of this recent sticker order that I received from MyFairyPlannerStore on Etsy, and as you can see I got a bunch of freebies along with my order. There was a little, I think, sort of like planner group sale, and that's what I ordered from, so there's just so many freebies. It's really kind of them to offer so much. So I'm opening this little freebie envelope that has a little card from the shop owner, and I think that it sort of allows you to like stamp up like all your orders and then maybe get a prize in the end. But now I'm going to go through all of these sample stickers that I'm getting, and there are so many, and I just think that they're adorable and such a cute way to sort of introduce yourself to more shops and designers, because you get a little sampling of their designs and what kind of stickers that they make, and then you can go check them out on IG or in their shop and see if you want to make another order. So I'm just marveling at all the different items that I'm receiving as a freebie. And I follow MyFairyPlannerStore on IG, and she is a designer that is located in Italy where I live. So lately I really have been trying to order more locally because it's just so much more convenient, and I can help, of course, the indie artists like in my vicinity. Mail has been getting just really difficult these days. I live in a very small town in Italy, and anything out of the EU is problematic because it takes forever, and you will probably be hit with custom fees as well. So right now I'm opening the other little pack of freebies, which I think was perhaps related to this particular group of planner sticker shops, and they decided to do like a sale together. So maybe this is like the second pack of freebies, but there's just so many samples. It's like so kind of them to do this. So I'm really excited to like go through all of these samples and use them, and also check out all of the different shops, and maybe follow their IG accounts so that I can basically be a patronage to like a different shop, maybe like every month or something. Like every time I make an order, I would like to order from some shop in Italy or something in the European Union, which makes it just a lot easier for me to receive it in like a timely fashion and know how much it is I'm spending. One of the things that is really difficult about custom fees is not because you have to pay them, it's just that sometimes you really have no idea how much you're gonna pay. So like a package will arrive and then it'll just have some price on it and be like, you need to pay this customs fees or you won't get it. So I just don't like that feeling and that presentation. Like I would just want to know beforehand like how much something is going to cost if I'm going to order it. So right now I'm just sticking to EU and Italy stores. So this is the actual stuff that I ordered from the shop, and it's packaged up in this nice little ribbon, and she also included like a little angel charm totally for free. So like super cute, that I can add to my planners and journals and things. So adorable. And the packaging is very neat and cute. So there's this ribbon around like a little plastic baggie, and inside are the two sort of items that I ordered, but it's also filled with a whole bunch of like glittery bits and pieces, which is super cute, and I'm definitely going to use that to make some kind of like shaker or deco card or something like that. And even the washi tape here is cute. All of us stationery lovers, I know we always use like every little bit and piece of ephemera and things that we get, so I'm definitely saving all of that. So I'm going to open this up and share with you what I actually ordered from the shop. But just from the freebies, I mean, there were 2 packs of freebies. I feel like I got like 20 sticker sheets already just from all the freebies and the samplers. but this is one of the items that I ordered from My Fairy Planner Store. It is the My Fairy Feeling little sticker book that basically has a bunch of of this girl emoji in different emotions, and then I bought a die cut set of like ponies. So this little sticker book is really cute, and I think would help with journaling when I want to like, you know, very plainly like express a certain emotion and then like journal next to little stickers. So I just think it's really cute. It's like a more personal emoji kind of thing. Obviously this is a character that sort of she created, but I just really love the purple pinkish color, and then all the different types of feelings that are included in this little sticker book. And it's all very nicely designed and packaged. And this little sticker book is sort of the perfect size to include in like your traveler's notebook, or like an A7. This is my A7 planner, so it'll fit in either of those. So it's really nice if you want to like stick it in with your planner or journal. And then here are the stack of die cuts that I bought, and it's actually a set of like, I don't remember the actual name, but it's like ponies and things. And I was drawn to it because one, I like the colors because I'm all for like pinks and purples and things, but also the ponies made me think of My Little Pony, which is like definitely a childhood favorite. So it comes with, I believe, these three sort of journaling cards, and it's printed on like thick cardstock, and the print is very crisp and clear. Definitely looks really nice. And so you've got these journaling sort of deco cards, and I'm thinking I might want to actually laminate them so that I can use them in deco. And also there's a bunch of actual die cut shapes, which are lots of different types of the ponies, which are actually unicorns. My daughter was looking at these as well, and she was like, "Mom, they're unicorns," because they've got like the little horn. So like pony unicorns. And then there's also like clouds and the moon and other, you know, sort of shapes, not just the pony characters. And there's also a bunch of florals, and they're all, of course, in the same style and matching in color, and just really, really cute. And I can definitely see myself not only using that for decor, but I also like to just glue in die cuts in my journaling for deco and things like that. So super, super cute, this die cut set. And I just love the colors, but I definitely want to laminate them because I feel like that would protect it a little more if I'm going to use it for like planner deco or something. And I just realized that the spelling on this particular card is actually wrong, or incorrect. It makes me sort of laugh. Like, it doesn't really bother me that much, I guess, because obviously, you know, when someone is doing something in another language, you know, mistakes can happen. And even me, like being a designer, I know that sometimes you like check things like a gajillion times and it's still like there's a mistake. So it happens. I can cover it up or like, you know, use it in a different way. It's not a big deal. But it actually made me chuckle because it reminds me of my childhood days when I would go to Chinese or like Asian stationery stores, and they would always have stationery that would have like a line of English or something, and the English would always be like wonky and weird because of the funky translation. So it made me laugh, remembering sort of those days from my childhood. So this is my order from MyFairyPlannerStore on Etsy, and she's also on IG if you want to follow her. There was the die cut set and my feelings, sort of emotion sticker booklet, and loads and loads and loads of freebies, which I appreciate so, so much because I can explore other shops and see how I can keep being a patronage of like indie artists. And maybe like every month just make an order to a different shop and keep exploring. So thanks so much for watching my video. I am Linda. I blog on tortagialla.com and I share all my digital printables on this blog. They are totally free for your download, so that you can decorate your planners, journal, and just use in your paper crafting. So there are years and years of posts, mostly of pattern papers, but also collage sheets and cards and art prints and things like that. And you can just visit tortagialla.com/blog and check it out. Thanks so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.